Alright, I think I got it. So you can see this will be the close position when you press the button. It goes up, open that way. It's supposed to be that way. And when I close it, it should close. Well, technically it will close. Let's try that again. So it's open, close. I know it's hard to see, but it's open. Let me show you what I did. This does come off, and I was able to put this in here, and there's a hole on the bottom of the metal piece, and there's I finally got the spring into that piece right there, and as you can see, it's on the open. There's a flat on this that corresponds to the flat here. So now that that's in there, I can go ahead and put the other pieces together. This one goes either way, it doesn't have a side the same on both sides, so go ahead and put that. And this is the one that was the hardest part because you couldn't do it with all these covers on there. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. And right now, why is this going all the way down? Okay, let's leave it at that one. So that's close, so that this doesn't go all the way down, because it's hard to hold. So there we go. Move this over, and now I can go ahead and put my flat one here. Said it is closed, so that should be right there. Now, if I open it, it works. So the problem was the spring wasn't working on this one, and it was assembled wrong, as you can see, because now it actually opens all the way it's supposed to be. So that's perfect. So what I can do, since it's already on there, this actually works pretty well. I have one working in the car already, so I can actually reuse these pins that they had on here. You could probably put what do you call it, screws in there, but I don't think there's any need for that. So you can see it's plastic, so they go in fine. And now I know how to take it apart if I need to, but you really shouldn't if it's assembled correctly. You don't even need to do that because they just work. Question is, are those ratings correctly, since you saw it's just a piece of metal. Alright. Exactly the way it's supposed to work. This wasn't going up before, obviously. It was on the wrong side. It's not popping up all the way though. So that's not good. Oh, there it goes. Okay, now it is. Just gotta play with it, I guess. Anyways, this is obviously one that came kind of faulty. So it gets stuck. So that's obviously not a very good one, but at least you get the gist of it. So as long as it's in there, it should work. Anyway, there you go. That's the 30 amp circuit breaker with new screws and put back together. For the most part, I just got to put everything else in there like I had. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it stops right there. Set screw for smaller wire. If I can just find my is it this one? I don't think it was this one. And there it is. 30 amp circuit breaker completed. It kind of works. So, if you get one, now you know how to try to fix it. Hopefully you'll have better luck than I did, since this one's still getting kind of stuck. But there you have it.